It's early, Tuesday morning. Got to be down at the seafront for 7:30. It's almost 7 o'clock now. So, sorry about the little shakes there. Me and my daughter down at the seafront. We're off on the Mary Ellen to competition day. So, one rod, one reel. Daughter's having to borrow a rod off Simon, who's skipper of the Mary Ellen. Yeah, I'm in there. In the kitchen at the moment, as you can see. Pretty cat in the background. Yeah, so let's see what today brings. Not bring you back. We're on quayside. Here we are, guys. There's the jet boat hut just behind me. That's where the boat's going to be coming. Pick us up. My baby girl's here. All ready for today. So, yeah, let's hope it's a good one. It's only 7:10. We didn't have to be down here until 7:30, so let's just hope it's going to be a good day for me and our Tan. So, right, I'll bring you back a bit later on. Oh, hi guys. Just a little update. I'm here with the guys. It's a bit sloppy. It's majorly sloppy out there, as you can see in the background. The competition today's been cancelled due to weather conditions, but it's getting rolled over to tomorrow. I'm supposed to be going with Mark tomorrow. I might actually cancel. I've got to have the head. I might cancel, go with, see if I can come out with the Mary Ellen tour for tomorrow. See what's going on. But yeah, got the update. No, it's not looking good. Overcast. As you can see, with quite a bit of mist as well. Only just see fire in the background. So yeah, it's going to be a no-go for today. I'll bring you back on the next one, guys. I'll catch you later. Oh, hi guys. As you can see, yep, back at home. Yeah, out the way. Weather's not good. Chatting with the guys, Neil, Simon, and the skippers at the teapot this morning. It's not looking good all week. It looks like that the boat competition for September 2024 for Scarborough, unless you're doing the beach competitions, the boat competitions are wash out. We've got 2 to 3 metre swells. Both lifeboats were sent out last night. Mark was on the one. They was out till midnight looking for somebody. Unfortunately, they did find them, and rest in peace, my friend. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, there's 2 to 3 metre swells, and because of that, they don't want to put anybody in danger. So it looks like all the boat competitions for this year in the Scarborough Festival have all been cancelled. So I got my 2 deposits back, one for my daughter and one for myself, for today's competition. I might have a look, the weather forecast and wind directions for the rest of the week to see if I fancy going probably off the harbour again. I might take the couple of the heavier rods rather than the lighter rods. Give that a try. But apart from that, I'm sorry guys, today was a washout. But I'll keep you updated on my channel. Just to let you know, 463 subscribers now and over 18,000 views, guys, in total. Over 500 total views this week in the last 7 days. So I'm loving the figures. I just want them subs up. I know there's quite a few that do watch my channel that aren't subbed to my channel. So please guys, hit that sub. It is free. And I'll catch you all on my next video, whenever that'll be. I'll catch you later guys from here in Scarborough.